If you've ever walked past a bakery and wish your kitchen could smell like freshly baked bread, but the thought of kneading dough and waiting for hours stopped you, you're definitely not alone. Homemade bread sounds amazing until you remember how much work it usually takes. But what if one machine could handle almost everything for you? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oster Bread Maker with ExpressBake 2-pound capacity to find out if it's worth bringing into your kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Oster Bread Maker is designed for busy families, beginner bakers, and anyone who loves fresh homemade bread without spending an entire afternoon mixing, kneading, and monitoring dough. Whether you're baking classic white bread, whole wheat, gluten-free recipes, or sweet fruit breads, this machine is built to simplify the entire process. Just add your ingredients, choose a setting, and let the bread maker handle the hard work while you focus on everything else. Right away, the design feels simple and approachable. It doesn't overwhelm you with complicated controls or unnecessary features. The control panel is clearly labeled, making it easy for first-time users to select the loaf size, crust preference, and baking program. Its compact footprint fits comfortably on most kitchen counters without taking up excessive space, and the overall construction feels solid enough for regular weekly baking. While it isn't designed as a luxury appliance, it has a clean, practical look that blends well into almost any kitchen. One feature that immediately stands out is the automatic nut and fruit dispenser. Instead of waiting for a specific point in the baking cycle to manually add ingredients, the machine releases them automatically at the right time. That's especially useful if you're making raisin bread, walnut bread, or other specialty recipes. It's a small convenience, but one that makes homemade bread much easier, especially if you're using the programmable timer to wake up to a freshly baked loaf. Performance is where the Oster Bread Maker really earns its reputation. The standout feature is ExpressBake, which can produce a loaf of bread in under an hour. While traditional bread recipes generally produce the best texture with longer baking cycles, ExpressBake is incredibly useful on busy days when you simply need fresh bread quickly. For regular baking, the machine offers 12 preset programs, including a dedicated gluten-free setting, giving you plenty of flexibility for different recipes and dietary needs. The ability to choose between 3 crust settings also makes a noticeable difference. Whether you enjoy a soft, light crust or prefer something darker and crispier, the customization helps produce bread that's closer to your personal preference instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all result. It also supports both 1.5-pound and 2-pound loaves, making it suitable whether you're baking for yourself or for a larger family dinner. Using the machine every week quickly becomes part of your routine. Simply measure your ingredients, select your preferred settings, and press start. The 13-hour programmable delay timer lets you prepare everything in advance, so your bread is ready exactly when you want it. Waking up to the smell of fresh bread in the morning is genuinely one of those little luxuries that never gets old. After baking, the automatic keep warm function helps maintain freshness for up to an hour, giving you flexibility if you're not ready to remove the loaf immediately. Of course, no bread maker is perfect. One of the biggest strengths here is convenience. It eliminates much of the manual labor while still delivering homemade bread that's noticeably fresher than most store-bought options. The wide variety of baking programs, automatic ingredient dispenser, and delay timer all add meaningful everyday value. On the downside, like most bread machines, it won't completely replace traditional artisan baking if you're looking for handcrafted sourdough with advanced shaping techniques. You'll also need to experiment with recipes occasionally to achieve your ideal loaf, especially if you're new to bread making. Overall, the Oster Bread Maker with ExpressBake is an excellent choice for beginners, busy families, and home bakers who want fresh bread with minimal effort. It makes homemade baking approachable, saves time, and offers enough flexibility to keep experimenting with new recipes for years to come. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. If you'd like to check today's latest price or see if there are any current deals available, you'll find the direct product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.